Hey guys, it's Steve here with my 150 series Prado. My front passenger speaker was torn and ripped. Everyone says that you need to get spacers or make spacers out of MDF. I'm going to be fitting these 6x9s that I bought. Basically what I've done is I've butchered the old speaker, taken out all of the plastic. As you can see, I'm actually going to use the existing mount off the Toyota speaker to remount the new speaker. This is the old cone that was ripped that I just ripped out. So this speaker fits nicely in here. I'm just going to screw it in place and fit it up. Bob's your uncle. Hope you enjoy it. So I fitted my new speakers, my 6x9 speakers in the existing Toyota chassis. I've actually just pre-drilled through the plastic, and you can actually see where those screws have come out. I've cut the back of the old shroud off, as you can see, where the old speaker was, and now I'm just going to solder or crimp those existing wires onto my new speaker terminals, and that way I can use the existing Toyota plug. I hope you found this helpful. Cheers.